finally back with another video. It's been forever, but I'm here and I'm about to give y'all this content and I'm here to stay. So today, as y'all already saw on the title and in the thumbnail, I'm giving y'all a new hair tutorial. This one is a little advanced, so fair warning, but let's get into it. I hope y'all really like it. Go ahead and subscribe and leave a like and a comment, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm gonna go to the right side of my head and make a part straight back, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side so I can have a nice little chunk right in the middle. After I got that chunk out the way, I'm starting from the back of that piece and I'm gonna go all the way over to my ear to section off one side of my head, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So now you just see me kind of prepping the hair for me to braid it. I'm just adding water and gel to the roots. And then I'm gonna section off a piece in the front and braid straight back. If y'all want me to do a tutorial on how to braid to the scalp or cornrow, whatever you want to call it, I can definitely do that, like a slow and detailed video, but I just need to know if that's something that y'all want to see. So comment below or DM me or text me, call me if you got my number. I also wanted to add that you don't have to do braids for this hairstyle. You could do twists, 2-strand flat twists, or you could just do like the rollover twist. I'm gonna add a picture or something so y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you can definitely substitute the braids for whatever you want. So now I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm going across in a diagonal, as y'all can see, at the front of my head on one side. You can pick a side because you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I'm gonna line my comb up with the other side and make that diagonal go all the way across. Y'all see that? Now that side's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. The exact same thing, making a diagonal, and then going to the other side and making the diagonal like the same, basically. From here on out, everything else is pretty simple. You're just gonna make diagonal lines going down each side and braiding them up. When I got to the last one, I decided to braid it to the front so I could have these little pieces of hair on the sides just to give it a little more flair. Now that one side is done, I'm gonna do the other side off camera and come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Cute, right? Yeah, so go ahead and leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. This is the end of the video. Bye, y'all.